I don't know everything, but I know Jah. Something that really make me proud to be I. Nazarene medication, your ZJ. Thanks and praises to the higher man. Most High Jah is the higher man. Him give strength to the fireman. Man got dominion over everything since creation. I think wale I and I love Irieta. Him give me life, Jah is the protector. No bombo clad, I go take higher down. Me start a fire in any city, any town. Stubborn Rasta fi born Babylon. Give me the letter, me no fear any gun. Inna the Jah, me a the Jina, me a the Dan. Me save the Emara, me no work fi no man. Right now me a go on Mussolini. A Vatican, the Pope and the Queen. We burn them to ashes, them no need coffin. Wicked man over there, so tell them Naza is coming. There ya, big up to the great king, great king. Jaja are the great king. No other God can be greater than him. He might make a sun and the lightning. Praises to the great king, great king. Jaja are the great king. Don't join the wicked men coming. Them can't go defense show in Armageddon. Since I was a youth, me have a dream. Fi play ever in a winning team. Jaja team is more than a dream team. A team full of stars, them squad is scream. Do you remember King Elijah, King Moses, King Elisha, King Enoch, King Isaiah, King Amos, King Jeremiah? So when the war starts, we are the victors. Freedom fi come for the freestars. Team of Jah, we no need sponsors. Nike, Puma, Under Armour, NB, Adidas. Otherwise, Jah man have to sponsor them. Like Chronix, he's one of them. Rasta sponsor everything in the game. Act of covenant, we keep it here to the end. Yeah. Big up to the great king, great king. Jaja are the great king. No other God can be greater than him. He might make a sun and the lightning. Praises to the great king, great king. Jaja are the great king. Don't join the wicked men coming. Them can't go defense show in Armageddon. Great king, great king. Jaja are the great king. No other God can be greater than him. Lightning. Praises to the great king, great king. Jaja are the great king. Don't join the wicked men coming.